Still on the massive demolition exercise going on in Enugu. Recall that on Thursday, the 13th of February, the Enugu state government began the demolition of properties along the Nike Lake Road and Nike Road to make way for the dualization of the Enugu Ugwogo Opi Nsukka Road. Today, we'll be flying over some parts of the affected areas like Liberty to Last Bus Stop, T Junction to Nike Lake, and Last Bus Stop to T Junction, where the demolition exercise is still currently going on.
I've been walking on the same shore ever since the time I left you on the dark side with a promise and a rhyme. And everybody else around are beating down on me to leave the only good thing a disaster meant to be. Trial for every wrong I did, the courthouse would be filled with people waiting to get rid of the one that ripped their lives apart and shattered all their dreams. They lock me up forever, even throw away the keys, and I wait for the release, hoping to get my freedom back before the world has turned on everything. Come, you lovers, and head my way, always looking for a new day. I will fight for my right to be right.
heart say